What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the G. In this video, we fixing to drop some beats. We fixing to drop a beat in FL Studio. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick beat. If you learn it out using only drums and the piano, you can do it and you can make it hot. I ain't saying this one's gonna be hot, but I'm saying is you can do it if you want to. So let's dive right into that right there. So we got the drum sounds. Find you some good drum sounds. Always gotta have a good rim shot. That's kind of loud. Turn that down. Got a good kick. Turn it down a little more. Got a clap. Use that hi-hat. Delete that one. So what you're doing, what I'm doing here is we're going to extend this out to 32. And actually we're going to make it, we're not going to even make it 32. We're going to make it, do we want to make it 20? Yeah. Let's see, what is 20 going to be like? Let's do fill by 2. Like that. Nope. Let's do 32. What am I talking about? Let's do a 32. Make that go out there. You already halfway there. We want that though. Delete that. We'll leave that right there. Then let's come over here before we do anything else. Because I said keyboard. We're going to use FL keys because even the free version got that. Now you're going to have to at least learn one key to play in. I can't teach you that, but you're going to at least have to learn one key. That's just 4 notes. 5 notes. It ain't hard, folks. Just be a little creative. So let's start that up. Look at that. Now watch me. We're going to loop that. Then we'll come over here. Then we can add this kick. Boom. You got the kick. Yeah. 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 Then we're gonna add the rim shot. Now if you notice on this rim shot, I tried to do it where there's nothing playing for the most part. See how that is? We filling in the blank. Now what you're gonna have to do is find a good 808 sound. That one is long. We're going to cut that out. So we're gonna come over here and trim it a little bit. Let's see what that sounds like. I don't know what it's gonna sound like. Oh, there's a lot going on. Let's change that to that. we said we just gonna use the drums and the keyboards. So then you can come over here, clone the keyboards, and go up an octave. Just let's go and add that. And oh, hey. Yeah, yeah. And just like that, you done did a beat with 5 notes, 1 sound and drums. It don't take much. Just step outside your comfort zone, be a little creative, do a little something different. You can make your whole style of beats that you're known for just for using 1 sound or 1 particular sound. Just perfect it. Perfect it. It's your boy.